second lecture of the semantic SEO course. In this lecture, Kurai show their about us semantic brief in their project folder, and the reason they say they connect all the entities to the source context, and they combine all the things, all the entities. Reason they say that every entity back to our source context, and in this about page, when a crawler crawl this, they understand what the source context of this website is, and they advise that consume the resources before creating the topical map. They give some specific instructions. For example, if you create a topical map, what you do in the start, the first thing you should do is that, for example, this is the query network. Query network is the basically the queries that under the specific topic. For example, if I search in a keyword explorer of Ahref, the topic or the keyword is what is bikes. So now the queries that are relevant to the topic are under the query network. So this is the query network. Now here your task is to find the most popular entity type. Entity type is basically the broad category in the query. Most of the time it is country. So in this context, they talk about the Germany visa. So in the continents, the most popular entity is countries. Continents mean Asia, Europe, and these type of regions. How you classify the countries? Now you have a method that's called local proximity. Local proximity is the method, for example, with the Pakistan, they have an India. So in a specific region, in a specific continent, that is Asia, the country Pakistan have local proximity with the India. If in this context, now after local proximity method, you go to the lexical relations. If you rank for the Germany visa, the European visa will be way much easier. This section brings us to the concept that is a semantic distance and also similarity. Now in this context, if I talk you what is the most closest entity of the Germany, most of the people say that is Berlin. We need entity from the same type. It's from neighbor. This logic comes from dictionaries and the semantic SEO. We don't use encyclopedia. That's why a lot of people create a topical map, but in reality, this is conceptual map, not a topical. So in this context, the user queries shows whether Germany, here is Bulgaria, Turkey, Lithuania. These are the countries that are in the same entity type and from the user behavior. So that's how you classify the country. So your first task is find the most famous entity type, then create your topical map according to the entity type by taking all the attributes. Prioritize your topics, create your topical borders according to the proximity between them. One point also in that, according to the proximity between them. We notice one thing that even we create Germany visa document, we also get impression from Bulgaria and Lithuania. It happens because Erasmus. All the students from this region, they search for the Erasmus visa. Since people search for the Germany for these other two countries, all the students from this region, they search for the Erasmus visa. Since people search for Germany from these two countries, that is Bulgaria and Lithuania, search engine assume that these are related to each other. Even the local proximity relevance is not much high. That's why we configured our topical map. Search engine assumed that they are related to each other even with the local proximity relevance. What's that mean? Even the countries that are surrounded by Germany, they have a high local proximity according to the local proximity method. But if the user searches, search engine take the user queries. Now in this context, even the local proximity if are low, the Lithuania and Turkey is not near to the Germany, but they constantly appear in the user queries. So Google assumed that they are relevant to each other. Now, the second concept we talk about is content configuration. Some of the tips of the content configuration is that inside content configuration, we increase relevance and query responsiveness by adding new info, remove information, changing the internal links, changing the anchor text, moving from the specific place to the specific place. To be able to do that, we check how the article ranks, what are the new queries, lost queries, shared queries. According to this, we prioritize certain section with each other. For example, according to the GSC report, after an audit, we prioritize our section. If we talk about the types of protein, under the definition of the protein, according to the audit, we change the section arrangement. How you will find the best entity type, best popular entity type. How you know this is the most local proximity type? How do you know that this is, I classify this is on the basis of local proximity or the user behavior? How you will classify that Germany is not connected with the Berlin in the eyes of search engine, but with the Turkey and Lithuania? This is realized when you know about the query session, which we talk about in the next lecture.